Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily fill a pattern inside of your AutoCAD project. So first of all, this is widely used by engineers and architects, for example, to tell that you can't really step inside, or this project or this place is out of your hands. You can't really do any changes in here, or you can't add anything in there. For example, it's a basement, it's a garage, so it's easier to tell your maybe designers like this that okay, this is not for you to decide what is going to happen there. So in our case, it's this one. So this is, let's say, a garage. So we are sending this project to a designer that they want to create something out of this, but not from this. And obviously this project will be passed from hand to hand, and we don't want to avoid any extra work. So we are going to write down hatch and hit enter. So what happened is the hatch creation tool is set in here. First, as you can see in our command center, it's saying select object or undo the setting. I'm going to select an object. So you see that it already changed the color, which I don't really want. But okay, let's go like this. It's changed the color. And it's solid. We can go with angle, NZ31 and NZ32. So I'm gonna go with NC31, and already some scratches is happening, or we are feeling the pattern. And we can change the angle, 0 degrees. I kind of like it. And also the frequency. Let's go with 0.5. And you see that we are already filling the object with scratching. We can even go with 0.4 for that part. So you are telling, for example, designer, okay, this is not your case. Stay away from this part of a house. You can also change the color, but I don't see it very professional. You can go with just like this with the lines. You can make a discotheque out of it, but no. The only reason why or when would I change the line is maybe if it's a tree, so those lines would be green, but whatever. Once we're done, we hit enter, and our project has beautiful filling inside. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, and goodbye.